guys get together? Yeah.
Nice.
This is a team behind Koality. Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm John.
Hey, John.
Hey, I'm Jordan.
And show and tell my viewers what Koality is all about.
Yeah, so we're actually all engineers, this entire team, and for us, it's like kind of a personal problem. When you're in college,
You're from Stanford?
I'm from Carnegie Mellon. He's from Stanford.
Stanford?
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'm from Cal. I'm leaving. Just kidding.
It's okay, I hate you, but I don't really.
I don't have a dog in this fight.
More about that later.
Yeah, whatever.
Go ahead.
Yeah, it's like as an engineer, when you're in college, right, you can write things really quickly. Like I wrote an operating system in 3 weeks. When you get to industry, there's a lot of friction with working with people,
Right.
and you can't move that quickly. And that really frustrates and annoys engineers. So for us, we're just removing that pain point and making engineers work much more effectively. So with the current customers we have, that includes like Dropbox, Asana, One Kings Lane. With those guys, we did a case study. It seems like you get 20% productivity gains, which means if you have like 30 engineers, you're getting 6 for free, right? That's like a lot. It's huge.
Right.
It's over $1 million in value. And for us though, the best part is like it makes engineers happier. They're more effective. They actually like their jobs, so the faster they move, the more fun they're having. And for us as engineers, it was like we have this pain. Let's go solve it. Let's go get it out there. And then once we solve it, we can make everyone more effective and make our own lives better.
So in particular, what we're focusing on is making it so that engineers can't block other engineers. So what we do is if an engineer tries to write bad code and pushes it to the repository, we actually block it there and say, no, this change is bad, we're not going to let it through. Which means engineers can no longer block engineers. Quality assurance doesn't have to wait on engineers, getting their shit together. Can I curse? Get their stuff together. And then releases, don't have to be pending on QA.
So how did this start? Was there a problem like this that you all identified and personally affected by? Or was
Yeah,
it like...
so this entire team actually used to work at a company called Koality Technologies.
Yeah.
And this was a giant problem there. And actually what turns out to be true is that it's a problem that occurs whenever you have people working on code in teams. So, I mean, every single software company has this issue. It's not just Palantir, right?
Right.
And when you look at it, it's like, all right, what are people doing about it? And you find a lot of people end up, like Google, for example, they spend millions of dollars and have a gigantic internal team just building and maintaining a solution to this problem. And if everyone has to build it over and over and over again, that's kind of a waste.
Basically.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So why not just build one that everyone can use and just give it to people so that they don't have to waste their time doing it?
Is Google a vendor now, or is that,
That would be a little bit difficult. So Google's code and their solution is very peculiar and very specific to them. But for us, we wanted to make a very general solution, one that would take hopefully less than a day to set up and be trivial to maintain and also pleasant to use. And so as you can see,
Yeah, sure.
it's pretty well designed, very, very simple. Every single time someone pushes, there's a new change on the left side. We automatically split up your test suite, parallelize it across whatever virtual machine that you're comfortable with. It's all behind the firewall, so completely secure. The code is in your hands, so on and so forth. And yeah, it's meant to be trivial to set up and very, very powerful to use.
So how do I use it? I just go onto your website, sign up?
Definitely check out qualitycode.com.
Sure.
Request an invitation. Right now it's in beta. We want to kind of, keep the reins on our customers. But please, request an invitation. We would get back to you within a day, and maybe we'll make something work out. Pretty good.
Thanks, and a great presentation yesterday. Congratulations.
Yeah, thanks. Thank you so much.
That was a lot of fun.
Yeah, thanks. Cool.
Cool.